A very useful new Scenarist BD version 8 feature is called Repeat Count. This feature is perfect for setting the top menu video background to a designated number of playbacks. This demonstration will show how an author can set the number of times a play item should loop or repeat in a playlist. Here, we expand a playlist to select a play item to repeat. Note the runtime of the playlist. Select a play item. Then in the Properties window, enter a repeat count value. Notice that the playlist runtime has increased. That is all that is required. It is important to note that the repeat count value does not add to the disk space usage. It is simply a playlist instruction to repeat a single clip.